Welcome to the kitchen. Get ready, let's go. It's cooking with Jack. Put on a tasty show.
Hey guys, before we get things started, I want to thank you guys for joining me every Saturday morning on the live stream. Don't forget, I got all the merch loaded up in the store. Got the Cooking with Jack hats, the new t-shirts for 26. Everything's going strong. So, today we're going to do a take on my favorite sandwich, the Reuben, and we're going to do the Reuben roll. I don't know if you've ever ordered a Reuben. Usually, it's got like 3 slices of bread. I usually tell them to take out the center one, but you're going to need rye bread. Go with the softest bread you can find. Feel it, squeeze it. This is seedless rye bread we're using. You can get the old-fashioned seeded kind, whatever you want. You gotta have rye bread. Gonna do some sauerkraut. The meat, the package of meat we bought, I went with pastrami instead of corned beef. Either one you like, go with it. They're both brisket. So I'm using pastrami today. Swiss cheese, and my dipping sauce is gonna be a nice mix of Thousand Island and Frank's Red Hot. You can use sriracha if you want. I'm trying this. All right, so the first thing you wanna do is put your sauerkraut like in a strainer and let it rest. Let it get as dry as possible. Get rid of all the liquid so that it doesn't make your Reuben roll all soggy, okay? Okay, you're gonna take your bread in a rolling pin. You're gonna roll that out. That's why you wanna go soft. Roll it as thin as you can. Put your meat on there. I think we use a little bit more. There we go. All right. Get your cheese. You can do baby Swiss, regular Swiss, whatever you want. You can do shredded. I think one person I saw did shredded. There we go. Spread some sauerkraut out. Man, it's real simple. You're going to go ahead and roll it gently. Don't worry about anything hanging off the edge there. You can trim it later. Get that all rolled. Let's try it again. Well, as you can see, we're rolling each one seam side down. You'll find out in a minute why, but go ahead, your toothpick and the seam side are down. All right, guys, last step we gotta do is we're gonna brush these. I got melted butter and garlic in that bowl. So we're gonna brush these. There we go. Brush the tops. Then we're gonna air fry 400 degrees in your air fryer My stove is an air fryer, so we're going to use this as our air fryer. All right, and then till it's like golden brown and crispy on the outside. Alright guys, here we go. I've never tried Frank's Red Hot. I usually use sriracha, but I only got green sriracha, and I don't think that's the one I want to use. I need to buy more red. So let's get all this. So you're looking at a mix like that, okay? Let me stir that up. Okay, you guys remember when air fryers first came out? I thought, what a bunch of crap. I said, that's just like, I literally put a video out saying, don't buy air fryers, it's a scam. Because all air frying is like cooking in your convection oven. So I now bought a range from Samsung, and it can be an air fryer. Okay? I'm air frying right now. You'll never guess. It's running the convection fan. I was right all along. Okay, you guys give me hell, but nobody ever comes back and go, you know what, Jack? You're right. It is like running your convection oven. Go figure. Okay, from the looks of them, they're golden brown. The outsides are crispy. The insides are stuffed. So they look good. I don't know if they're gonna be good. We got our dip right here. So we're gonna let them cool. We're gonna try one of them out. A nice job visually. So let's see what that tastes like. All right, so the warning I will give you. The first moment you can pull the toothpicks out, pull them out. So nobody gets hurt, okay? Let them cool, pull the toothpicks. Yeah, toothpicks ain't needed anymore. Pull these out. Don't forget. All right, let's give it a try. Here's one right here. And you give it a dip. And give it a taste. Right there. Oh my God. That was amazing. I don't know what brand this is. They don't sponsor the show. Marzetti. $1,000 is amazing. I haven't in years. All right, let's try one more bite. This is so good, guys. I will make this again. I'll make this during football season. I don't care. We'll get an assembly line going. I'll flatten the bread. You know, Junior can put the meat on. Brianna can do the cheese. Timmy can roll it up after putting sauerkraut. We're good to go. Guys, these are freaking amazing.